Today, we're gonna do an extreme closet clean out, okay? Let me show you all what I'm working with. For starters, my actual literal closet is in here. So as you can see, she's not like a huge closet, but I've got like clothes hanging here. I've got whatever the heck all of this crap is up top. Most of my shoes are kind of, oops, that would explain exactly why we need a cleanup. My shoes are all kind of stacked down here. You can just kind of see that it's hard to get to anything in the physical closet, which is why that needs an organization. There is a basket filled with clothes. This is a chair stacked with clothes. I would consider the shelving unit to be part of my closet too. As you can see, it's just kind of a chaotic mess. Both the top of the dresser is messy. I wouldn't say the drawers are so messy. They're just hard to even open because they're so, well, they're kind of messy, but they're so full of clothes. This was all on the floor of my closet. Well, some of it just came out of the laundry, but most of this was on the floor of my closet, and I just went ahead and put it all on my bed for the sake of this video. And then we also have this rolling rack over here. Now, full disclaimer, I want to get rid of this rolling rack because I got it from IKEA. She's cute, but I don't know if you can see that, but it's just so wobbly. Like every time you touch it, everything wobbles off. So I do want to get rid of that and maybe replace it with something else. It's pretty apparent to me based on the size of my closet. I need to downsize before I organize. My dryer ball is in here. I have brand new clothing that's still in the package. I'm just kind of adding everything to the bed that's clothing, and then I'll go through that pile on the bed and get rid of whatever's not clothing. On the bright side, I seem to have plenty of hangers. This bag is filled with vintage linens that belong to my grandmother, like curtains and tablecloths. They really don't need to be in here. One of the curtains from the linens bag, I'm actually gonna dye these pink and hang them up in Kyla's room. But right now, I just need to go bye-bye. I feel like my closet has become somewhat of a catch-all for things that just don't have a home. When I'm cleaning the rest of the house, if people are coming over, I will just shove the extra stuff in my closet. So enough is enough. We gotta get it together today. Currently, this pile has stuff like some of Kyla's clothes, some socks. I'm gonna get that all put away. Oh my God! I started 10 minutes ago and I'm already overwhelmed. I'm gonna put some eucalyptus into my essential oil diffuser just to elevate my mood and get the room smelling fresh. Fresh start, baby. I have officially put all of my clothing that was in the pile on the bed into categories. It actually only took me about 15 minutes. I thought it was gonna take me a lot longer, so that's a good sign. So you can see I have all my little categories. Believe it or not, but that too is a category. That's jackets and coats. Here's an example of something that I don't really need to try on, but it does need to go into my closet. It's the dress I'm gonna wear as a bridesmaid this summer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put these type of things in my closet now. I have all of these clothing and more that belong to my grandma and grandpa. So they're just like vintage and sentimental pieces. They actually all do fit me. So if you wanna see me style these, I don't usually wear them because they're so precious to me. But if you wanna see me style them, let me know and I can do a video where I style my grandparents' clothing. For now, I'm just gonna put them into the back of my closet. I have way more dresses than I thought I did. I still have more in my closet, but my hands are like breaking. 33 dresses. I've been doing this for almost 4 hours and I just got through the dresses. I have a handful to get rid of, but I'm gonna need to run and charge this battery before it dies. So I have all of these dresses that I'm for sure getting rid of. For the most part, it's because I'm not obsessed with the fit. So I have 10 dresses that I'm getting rid of and 24 that I'm keeping. I like the idea of color coordinating my closet, but I have tried that before in this closet and it doesn't work for me. I just found that it wasn't the best system. So I'm gonna have everything by category instead. All right, so we got 4 skirts to give away, keeping 10 skirts. Also, I know I'm gonna keep these. Yes, they are a skinny jean, but I just love this side detail. The corseting opens all the way up on the sides, which I like. I know that these aren't in and may not be in for another like 10 plus years, but these I'm gonna hold on to. I have a kid, daughter specifically, so there's certain core pieces that I like to kind of keep in somewhat of an archive for her when she gets older, and this is one of them. In case these are ever back in, I would have loved to have my mom's skinny jeans as somebody who loves vintage clothing, so I hope that my daughter will one day love and appreciate them. It is a new day. Today we're gonna do pants. Well, we're gonna start with pants. This is just my small stack of leggings and yoga pants that I know that I wear when I work out. So I'm automatically going to keep these just off jump. Versus these leggings, I know I'm going to get rid of. I only have 4 pairs of pants to get rid of, and I'm not going to cap. That is a little bit disappointing because my pants drawer is one that is overflowing. I could always hang some of my pants in the closet, but I kind of like having them all in one place. It just makes it easier. What I can take away from this though is that I don't need to buy any more pants. It's kind of hard to see because these drawers don't pull all the way out, but I tried to do a little bit of color coordination. So I have my bright going out pants here, black, grays, green, the whites, and tan right here, and then my workout pants. Moving on to short, like with the pants, I know that I'm keeping workout or biker shorts. I love these skim shorts, by the way. They're very, very flattering. These ones off to the side. I also had these like bike out work shorts. I will not be keeping these because who did I think I was when I was in postpartum? Basically, when I was in postpartum, I had to pretty much start over my wardrobe new. I have a few pieces that I've had since before them, but the majority of my stuff didn't fit, never fit again after I had a kid. And I also just feel like I wasn't myself. I don't know. For like the first few years after having a baby, and I don't know what I was buying, but bye-bye. This next category is tank tops. Be cute thumbnail. I want to kind of show you how I have my tank tops organized. So the hanging ones are a mix of like day and nighttime ones, but they're ones that are different. They're not just like regular tank tops. These are regular tank tops, and I like to roll them all, and then I stack them up like this. Once I put them into my closet, I have little closet dividers or dresser dividers. And then my tube tops I just fold because, or the corsets I roll because of the boning, because I don't like to use a whole bunch of pant hangers to hang them up. It just irritates me. And then my bodysuits I fold as well. There's like t-shirts and stuff in here, so it's not a perfect example, but you can see I have these little divider things. They're just from IKEA. I will literally just pop some tank tops right in there. See almost everything. And hopefully not forget it exists since I can see it. These can all go back to the closet. I didn't get rid of tons of tank tops, but I got rid of some, and I'm happy because I know what I have in my closet now, which is super exciting. We're gonna do coats next. It's finally that time of year where I can start packing some of these away. I do live in the Seattle area, so it stays cold forever, but whatever I keep, I'm hopefully gonna put in like the very back of my closet. Big coats, we're keeping 4, getting rid of 1. We're doing lightweight jackets. I have more. This is just what's hanging. I guess you could say that denim jackets are my vice. Next, we've got cardigans. I'm actually done trying everything on. I'm so excited. That was insane. I definitely still have some work to do as far as the actual organization. Here's what my closet is looking like now. Obviously, I still need to figure out what to do with all of this crap. I thought that I didn't have enough hangers, but I can see that I have tons of extra hangers now that I've gotten rid of clothes. I still have my shoes down at the bottom, and then this is honestly just other stuff that I need to store. My dresser drawers are basically in the best position that they've been in since I got this. I do owe it to myself to clean off the bookshelf. Determined to finish this closet cleanup. I did go to Ross and get some baskets. My idea with the baskets is to take care of all the stuff at the top of the closet and put baskets there instead. It was under $60 for all 4 of these baskets. I feel like that's pretty good. Technically, I got 5 baskets because I got one for Kyla's room too. The baskets are all different. I thought it might look cool with a little bit of mismatch. I have honestly just allowed this chair to pile up once again with clothing. It just comes down to lack of discipline with these items, I think, more than a lack of place. I cleaned up this little chair mess. I still feel overwhelmed. There's a lot of stuff in this closet, but it's almost embarrassing just the amount of overconsumption and things I've held on to that I'm not using and that I don't need. I decided to start with all of this. This is all gift wrapping supplies, and I have 2 other bags of it. I know that my closet is a strange place to be keeping gift wrapping stuff. I live in an apartment, so I don't really have that storage space elsewhere. These gift bags have kind of just served as containers to hold the actual gift wrapping stuff. So I'm going to go through and see what's usable and transfer all of this stuff to one of the big baskets that I bought. Even just random stuff like this, which while it's cute, it's kind of all beat up. I think I'm just gonna throw it away. Not like the most aesthetic or sustainable organization to be putting these in Ziploc bags, but I want to get this done. I don't want to have to go buy anything else right now, so it works. I grew up in a house where we did not really throw things away. It's kind of hard for me to unlearn the behaviors of just hanging on to anything just in case I need it. I don't even like the pattern of this. Like, why am I keeping this? While I do think it is good to reuse and recycle and take care of the Mother Earth, there also comes a point when it's too much to keep every single thing. So it's me finding that balance between taking care of the earth, recycling, reducing, reusing, and having mental clarity. First basket is done. While this is not aesthetically pleasing to me at all of the gift wrapping stuff has been decluttered and organized, so it will take up a lot less space than when it was in those 3 different bags before, and it will be a lot easier for me to find all the things I need next time I wrap a gift, so I won't have to run out and buy any more gift wrap. And next we have some toys. Cleaning out my closet, and I found your Duplos. Do you still want your Duplos? Do you still play with them?
Yeah.
I also found in here, are you gonna keep this or give it away?
Keep this because we have to find a killing.
What about this Squishmallow?
Keep.
Okay, here's some shoes for your Build-A-Bears.
We really have to keep these guys.
Yeah. You need to put these with your Build-A-Bears, okay?
Why do I even need this?
Do you want to give it away?
No.
Here's a Barbie
Why
dress.
do I even need that?
Can we give this away? This went to your little people house
that
we got rid of. And then can we give this away?
Why do I even need that?
Let's give it away.
Yeah.
Scrabble, definitely need to keep. Beatles Monopoly, kind of epic, so I'm keeping that. Snowboarding. Snowboarding Monopoly, I'm on the fence about, but I used to be a really avid snowboarder. Maybe more like a weekender snowboarder, but I used to go every weekend. It's been years and years since I've been up to the mountain. I kind of feel like this is the only piece of that life that I used to live that I still have. I am gonna keep these. I don't think that they need to be in my closet though, because they never get played. I'm gonna put them out in the living room. That way when there's guests over, they can see them and we can play. Is anybody else guilty of holding on to all of their Apple bags and like, for why? I'm gonna recycle this. This is another thing. Like, is there a reason that I'm keeping my MacBook Pro box? I actually did not have as much stuff as I thought I did on top of my closet. Just the way that it was in there was taking up a lot of space. I'm still working on the same project. It's another day. I had no idea that this would take me so long. I'm really liking how it looks. I'm gonna take you guys inside my closet. The water heater is right here, which is definitely an eyesore. I thought about hanging like a lace curtain over that, but then also, is there really a point since nobody's ever going to step foot in this closet and see it besides me? Like, you can't see it from the room. It's only once you step in. We've kind of got a situation on the floor. This guy actually goes on my bed. I don't know why he's here. I'm using this for accessories. So right now it has a couple bags that I don't use, but I'm not ready to let go. And this bag that was my grandmother's. This one also belonged to my grandma and doesn't really get wear, so it's going to be added to this basket.
I have to be in it.
Cute outfit of the day. Go girl. I feel like I'm making pretty good progress in here. I did forget that my suitcases need to go in here. One of them's in here now. I'm just behind the door before, and then the door doesn't open all the way, which is kind of a point of frustration. So I'm hoping that I can fit this one inside my Samsonite and then maybe like nudge the carry-on next to it. I'm actually really excited about how the inside of my closet looks. The first time ever it's fully functional. I have all of my shoes in these boxes that I got from Amazon, and then some of the sneakers in shoe boxes. Extra boots. This is just my dirty laundry bin. I haven't worn these in years. They're gonna get added to that huge pile of stuff to get rid of. So excited because the whole time I've lived here, my closet has never actually been walk-inable. I added this little wall art. I think I want to create a collage of affirmations and just other pretty little things all up and down this wall. However, that needs to be a project for another day because I still have some other areas in my room that I consider my closet that need to get cleaned. I did not bring myself to throw away the entire MacBook box yet. Don't judge me. I do really want to get a tray for up here. I thrifted and tried to find one unsuccessfully. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna keep this stuff up here. I think it's really cute too because Kyla came and added her sunglasses next to mine. But these are just a few either special things or like to have my essential oil because I have my diffuser right next to it. Yet another day. I am so ready to be done with the project, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna finish it today. It's like I can finally see the light at the end of the tunnel. I did get my dresser cleaned up. I would like to get a tray or something for my perfumes so that they're not just everywhere. You can clearly tell that this tray is not equipped to hold quite this much jewelry. Even these little crystal trays I have are a little bit heavy with what they have on them. I just don't have good storage space with my necklace right now. I did move some of them next to my bed, but I don't have like a good place to hang them. On the list of things that I need to buy, I've been trying to thrift more stuff like this. So I think it's gonna slowly come into process. This is the last section to deal with. I'm gonna get rid of this rolling rack entirely because it's not good quality. It is from IKEA, but it just keeps falling over. There's also all these piles of clothing and accessories. This is stuff that I'm getting rid of. I'm gonna do like a $1 live auction thing. So I will have these all in my house at least until Monday. Whatever is left will probably just go to maybe Crossroads or the Goodwill because I'm ready for it to be gone. It's a lot of stuff. I did it. I'm proud of myself. It wasn't quite as hard as I thought it would be. I ended up just adding my chair to that corner there because it was kind of in a weird place before. Now there's no rolling rack. However, I still have all of this. I'm calling this almost done because this is all stuff that I already sorted through in part 1 of this video where I went through every single piece of clothing I owned and tried everything on. So this has all been sorted. I know that it can all go away. It's just a matter of making it go away. Before, after. Before, after. Before, after. Still kind of in after mode.